Hi Prometheus, we noticed one of our outposts on the planet X 10056 is not responding. Your mission is to find the planet and our outpost there. Try to find the cause of why it's not responding. After finding the cause, transmit the message back to the station and you return to home. I wish you all the success in your mission. Good luck.
To find the outpost, you need to move closer to the planet by driving your ship with the WASD key and clicking on the planet to find the outpost location. To click, you need to press the escape key to activate the mouse cursor. Prometheus, get back to the space. This is not the location we are looking for. Prometheus, get back to the space. This is not the location we are looking for. Prometheus, get back to the space. This is not the location we are looking for. Prometheus, get back to the space. This is not the location we are looking for. Prometheus, get back. Prometheus, get back to the space. This Congratulations, you found the outpost location. Now go in and find out what happens to the outpost and why they are not responding. You successfully landed on the planet. Remember now, there is no turning back. You need to find the outpost location at any cost. Move carefully, there may be danger out there. Intel shows that you have a natural guidance system. Try to find the square rock formation. That will guide you to the location.
This is the last record from the Outpost. I am Dr. Eric. Some days ago we saw strange orb-like objects moving around our sky. It was glowing and moving. The next day our people were getting sick as they were infected by something. The infection was spread through the orbs, I think. People are turning into monsters. They started to bite themselves and each other. Their facial appearance was turned into green skin. The blood color turned black. One more thing, after they turn into something else, they cannot go outside in the sun. If anyone finds this transmission, remember to come to the base at daytime. In daytime, they cannot come out from the shadow. I am turning also. I will not remain human in the upcoming days. Goodbye everyone. You need to abandon this outpost. Signing off, Dr. Eric, Outpost Scientist.